She's synthetic. She is synthetic. She is synthetic.
My girl from Zimbabwe.
Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review on this wig. Honey, get into it. Get into this wig, yes. This wig is from Bohemian Wig. It's a Brazilian secret signature human blended lace Remy soft Swiss lace hair. This is the style HBW Brazilian girl in 30 inches in the color 1B. Okay, so let's talk about that length real quick. It says 30 inches. Alright, this hair is pretty long, so my belly button is right here, and it comes right above my belly button, and at the back it comes right like my ass crack, my booty crack is right here. I'm a pretty short girl, so I think it's true to its length. I've never had 30 inch wig before, so I can't really compare. It's really soft. The hair is really soft. The package says it's real hair feel, silky and soft texture, less tangles than similar synthetic fibers, heat friendly. In this review, like when I install the wig, I'm going to be using a hot comb, so you know it stands heat. You know what I mean? And there's very minimal shedding. It only starts shedding quite a little bit more because I decided to pluck the front a little bit. Overall, it wasn't shedding as much when I took it out of the box. So let's get right into the video and see how I laid this synthetic wig, honey. So this is the packaging of the hair. Come to this green box. It's really blurry. Upon opening it, comes like this. Okay, it came with this booklet thing. There's washing instructions and care instructions and a reminder back here. So this is how it comes first glance. It comes with, it looks like it has 3 pins. It has a pin in the back over here and 2 pins on the side. And this is the lace that they give you, the little bit of lace that they give you. It looks like it's tinted. And at first glance, the hair is pretty soft, guys. Like, very minimal shedding. Very minimal. Wait, there's no shedding right now. Well, there's no shedding right now, so very minimal shedding, like they said. I've never styled a synthetic like frontal wig before, but guys, oh, look at that. Ooh. Wow, it looks like it has a pretty nice hairline. I'm really fucking with this hairline that it has right now. Wait, where's my hairline first of all? Oh, okay. Oh, this looks good, guys. This hairline looks really good. This looks like it's gonna be pretty easy to style. First glance, this is what they give you. This is the hairline that they give you with this frontal, with this lace. Let's see if we can transform it. The hairline is pretty dense. We're gonna have to tweeze it a little bit. I just plucked a little bit I'm gonna go ahead, I think I'm gonna do a middle part for this wig, and I'm gonna go ahead and start gluing it on. To glue it on, I'm going to be using my Got To Be Free spray, and that's it. So let's see how this turns out. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe the excess glue that's on my skin right now. Alright guys, so this unit said it can take some heat, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to straighten it out and get rid of the frizz that's, you know, the flyaways and stuff like that. This so far right now is giving me no baby hairs. I still have to finish styling it and see how everything is going to look. So let's go ahead and straighten it and see how it's gonna look. I'm just gonna brush it out first. First glance, you guys, well, right now it's shedding because I think it's shedding because of the plucking that I had done. Anyways, so for now, oh guys, I just love this hair. Like, I don't even need to straighten. It's really silky, like it says. The lace wasn't too hard to work with, and it wasn't too hard to lay. Like, I laid this pretty quickly, in my opinion. For somebody who lays a lot of lace wigs, I feel like I laid this pretty quickly. Don't do this at home, guys. Okay, it's hot. I want that that like bumped, lifted lace front look, so I'm gonna go ahead and hot comb this up. Ooh, oh shit, like that. I hope this comes out the way I'm envisioning it to, y'all.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
I'm gonna spray some of this Nairobi Rabbit Shine thing, just a little bit on the top over here, to make sure that the hair lays flat at the top. Be careful, you guys. I actually just burned myself with this hot comb. Like, Can I ever learn? I'm going to use my concealer and a brush and just put a little bit on there to put on the part. I just need you guys to see like the greatness that this hair is serving, okay? Like, listen, baby. Put the brightness up so you can see. Baby. I spent, okay, it was $70, but I spent $60 on it. I guess it was on sale. So go ahead and check them out if you are trying to bull on a budget, look like a baddie on a budget, and you don't want to spend that much money on a frontal. So yeah guys, for my opinion so far, it's really easy to work with. It's really soft. The lace is really easy to work with, like it blended in well with my, you know what I mean. And the parting is like, is this big, but it looks cute, you know what I mean. It looks cute. Guys, it's super soft. Like, it's super soft. I can't stop touching it. Like, I can't stop touching it. I need to stop. Okay girl, relax, relax, relax. So yeah, if you guys like these type of videos, let me know and I can do more hair videos, more reviews, more tutorials, or whatever the case may be. And if you are interested in the specs of this makeup look, then it's gonna be the next video after this one, so look out for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to press the like button, comment, subscribe so you can come back, and I will see you guys in my next video.